I am just not happy with this hair. Oh my gosh. It looks so bad. I need to fix it. So let's just pretend like this hair does not exist on my head right now. Okay. Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be creating a look using all Lottie London products. They were kind enough to send over this adorable little stocking that says Merry Vibes with some products inside. So I am going to go through those products that they sent over with you guys, kind of swatch them, let you guys see what they're all about. And yeah, we'll be using some of these products to create today's look, as well as using some Lottie London products that I already own. So the first thing they sent over in this adorable little stocking is the Lottie London Ready Set Go Brightening Pink setting powder. This setting powder is a light pinky shade. So it looks a little something like that. And this is going to really brighten up the under eye area. It is a very fine milled powder. It's super soft. And yeah, just going to melt right into the skin. Next, they sent over two of these little mini ombre blushes. We have the shade Red Hot and the shade Exposed. These are absolutely beautiful. They look a little something like that. So pretty. Here is what Red Hot looks like. Super pretty. And then here is Exposed, which is a lighter pink. They sent over their mini highlight in the shade Troublemaker, which looks a little something like this. So pigmented, and it looks a little something like that. That is absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, they sent over their Oil Slick Nourishing Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Extra Cherries. Let's open this up, and I'm just going to apply this to my lips right now. It is just a slightly, ever so slightly tinted lip oil, and it smells just like cherries. Since I only want to use Lottie London products for this video, I'm not sure if I will be filming the eyeshadow portion of this look. I do not own any Lottie London eyeshadows. So yeah, if you would like to see the eyeshadow portion of this look, then head over to my Instagram and TikTok. It will be over there. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using only Lottie London products. Some new and some already owned. All right, so I went ahead and mixed the Lottie London Hot Glaze into my foundation. These are bronzing serum drops, and it just kind of makes the skin look bronzy, glowy, without having to totally switch my foundation shade in the wintertime, these definitely come in handy. Which I don't know why my foundation is looking so dark on camera. Maybe it's because it's overcast outside and that is translating into my room here. I'm not sure, but it looks so dark. Now we are using the Lottie London Ready Set Go Brightening Pink Powder. They sent me over a little mini inside that cute stocking. And I am just kind of setting my under eye area and setting my T-zone area with this powder. It is definitely brightening, you guys. It brightened up that under eye area like magic. I am just using a little Lottie London bronzer now. This is infused with bamboo extract. And this is in the shade Sunkissed. This also smells like coconut, you guys. It's really yummy. Kind of just warming up the face a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to use the blushes that Lottie sent over. They sent over these two little adorable ombre mini blushes. We have the shade Exposed, which goes from a light pink to a slightly darker pink. And then we also have the shade Red Hot, which looks a little something like that. It is a peachy kind of shade into a darker, like pinky shade. Super pretty. I am going to be using both of these. So starting with Red Hot, I'm just going to apply just a little bit because I don't want it to be too much. Super pretty. And then a little bit above that, I'm going to go in with Exposed. Like so. All right, so now we're going to use this beautiful highlight. This is called the Troublemaker. Super pretty. And I am just going to go ahead and apply that right there on top of that light pink blush. That is so, so beautiful. Wow. All right, so now I'm going to do a little bit of Lottie London's freckle tint. This is faux freckle, literally in a little bottle. It comes with a little applicator like this, and you just simply dot like so. I like to kind of take my finger and go over it like that. I'm just going to add a few all the way across my cheeks and nose. Now I'm going in with the Lottie London Arch Rival Micro Fine Brow Pen. I love using this on the tail end of my brow just to kind of sharpen everything up. But this is also perfect to get those fine hairline strokes. This one is in the shade Dark Brown. All right, so now I'm going to take the Stay Matte AF Setting Spray by Lottie London. This is alcohol-free, and it's got niacinamide and green tea extract. On my lid, I am using the Lottie London Eye Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Shady. I accidentally forgot to film it for you guys, but it is so, so beautiful. Looks a little something like that. And yeah, so, so pretty. Now I am going in with the Super Fake Mascara from Lottie, and I'm just going to give my lashes a nice coat of this. Now I am just taking the Lottie liner. This is the stamp liner. So one end is a stamp and the other end is the liner. And I'm just creating some crazy graphic liner with this. And this is the final look using all of the Lottie London products. If you would like to see how I got this eye look in its complete full form, you can head over to my Instagram or my TikTok where there's a tutorial there. These products would make some great stocking stuffers, and Lottie London has everything you need to complete your holiday looks. I just want to say a big thank you to Lottie London for sending me some products to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.